Good morning, students. In the last lecture, we have studied cognition. Marathi meaning of cognition is जाण, एखाद्या गोष्टीची जाण करून घेणे. As a user point of view, we are learning about the product is nothing but a cognition. Cognition is divided or described into 5 parts, which is based upon learning, then memory, then organization, consistency, and user capabilities. In this lecture, we are going to learn ergonomics. Marathi meaning of ergonomics is उद्योजकतासाठी घ्यावयाचे ज्ञान. समजा suppose we want to design a handle of a door, then we should have a knowledge of different hands of different person. We will take different measurement of hands and finding out average of all these hand, and accordingly we will design handle of the door. It's nothing but a ergonomics. So ergonomics for design of a table, study table and chair, we should have a knowledge of height of a person. We should have a knowledge of weight of a person, and based upon these knowledges we will design average height of table and chair. That is nothing but ergonomics. Means before going into product we should have knowledge of all these things. That is what ergonomics is. I will read all these. Ergonomics is the scientific regulation which deals with the understanding of the intercommunication with human and the other elements of the system, and the line of work that applies theory, principle, data and method to design in order to upgrade human well-being and overall development and system performance. Human factors ergonomic focus on accessibility, arrangement and make a product usable. That means color of the ergonomics is also related with visual factors. Color, size, weight, height and all other visual factors are related to ergonomics. While going for the design of a product, we should have a knowledge of all these things. Now, ergonomics consists of 3 main fields of research: physical, cognitive and organizational ergonomics. There are many areas under their broad categories. The main fields of physical ergonomics is concerned with human interaction include visual ergonomics. Area within the field of cognitive may include usability, human-computer interfacing and user experience engineering. Organizational ergonomics include optimization of socio-technical system, including the organization's policies and processes, which also include resource management, work design, work system, framework, new work, programming, quality management, etc. and many more things. Anthropometric mainly deals with study of human body and its movement, which generally involves research into measurements related to people, and it also includes collecting statistics or measurements relevant to the human body, which is called as anthropometric data. The anthropometric data, which include measurement and statistics, which is applied to the product. Example, measurement of the hand are used to design the shape and size of the handle. That is, to design hair dryer in which anthropometric data are used to design the size and distance to held from head. So this is figure 1.2 5.2 is a hair dryer's handle whose size is based upon average hand size of many people. That average hand size is, this data is with the manufacturer or with the designer or with the engineer. So this is what I want to say about it. You look at this anthropometric measurement, collecting statistical data size and determine average measurement, which goes to ergonomics and tropometer measurement and statistics used in the design of the product, and product of ergonomically designed. As a result, the product fits the customers. Comfortable handle and comfortable chair is important parameter over here. So in this figure 1.5.3 you will find that chair table height, this is height of table, and this is height of laptop. The chair height is this. So these parameters are designed based upon, average height of a human being. Okay. So what they have considered here, workplaces under which the device generated or instrument may be used in wide variety of situations. Equipment arrangement, poster and seating make up a inexhaustible arrangement for workplace. While designing a workplace, table height and chair height should be designed by considering average height of a person and considering its flexibility, also considering its exhaustness. That means it should be inexhaustible. Inexhaustible means it should not be tedious. If you sit for 2 hours, you should not feel tired. That is what the designer should know. And the main goal of ergonomic seating in the workplace are to increase individual efficiency and reduce fatigue, and to facilitate proper posture. So this is about workplaces. Ergonomics is divided into these parts: workplaces and anthropologies. Ergonomic factor, adjustability factors, economic factors, safety factors, and other factors, weight and others. These are the factors which are considered under ergonomics. Ergonomics means while designing, it is a visual design. While designing size, color, weight and other parameters, and going into design, we have to consider these parameters. In general, the design of instrument or device workspace with following rules in mind: avoid ungraceful or uncomfortable positions, minimize fatigue, reduce hazards, reduce distracting noise, control temperature and humidity, use normal limit movement and each limitations of the same. Some ergonomical principles in work design are: aim at dynamic workspace and avoid static workspace. Workplace should be dynamic and it should not be static. Secondly, allow of change of postures, working with both the hands. Avoid overloading of muscular system. Train the individual to use the workplace. And last point, that is of lighting. Lighting on the workplace. It may be industry or office working environment in which appropriate lighting make all tasks easier. About 80% of information to people is obtained through sense of light. Proper amount of lighting without shadow can reduce fatigue and headaches. Light can prevent accidents by increasing the visibility of dynamic machinery and other safety hazards. Good quality lighting can also down the incidence of accidents. So lighting should be proper at the workplace. Then lastly, clues. Clues are the explanation to function. Clues may be viewable, auditory and tactile or physical. Each type of clues have unique advantage during the operation of devices. Visual, also called as viewable clues. These indications provide rich clues and have context sensitive spatial quickly reorganization event of operation. Lamps give visual active clues which can indicate the following: whether the function is active, mode of operation and warnings. Most of produce are small LEDs when power is on. That means if it is a telephone, there should be little light in the telephone. That is what a clue is. A stop sign, on sign and others indications should be there in the product. So this is what a clue. Ergonomics is divided into, now we will conclude with ergonomics is divided into first part anthropometric data, that means study of size of a hand for the design of the dryer. Then secondly, workplaces, easiness of the workplaces. Then properties of workplaces, and lastly lighting on the workplaces and clues of workplaces. Clues of the workplaces means indications. If there is an accidental view, then there should be small light on that. Warning lights on the telephone, fuel lights, small LED lights should be used for clues. This is what ergonomics is. Lastly, I want to conclude that ergonomics means for the production purpose what knowledge you should have is ergonomics, study of all these. Ergonomics also deals with visual parameters of the material, that is weight, size, height and other parameters of the product. We will learn next part in the next lecture. Thank you.